Good morning, my dear Akshins. Today we are going to see the second chapter of our prose. This chapter is related to the clues that flashes on your screen. Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Rani, all these people gives us a clue about the freedom struggle of India. Of course, today we are going to see one more great personality who fought for the rights of people of South Africa. He is none other than Nelson Mandela, a Nobel Prize laureate. He has got Nobel Prize for Peace. Why he is given that Nobel Prize? What is his role in the freedom of South Africa? What was the problem that was prevailing in South Africa? All that we are going to see in this chapter. This Nelson Mandela was a normal person born on July 18, 1918 in South Africa. He had a thirst for freedom. Why he had a thirst for freedom? Because South Africa was under a system of apartheid. What is apartheid? Discriminating people on the basis of race, color, caste or gender. So people are being discriminated. The young Nelson Mandela had a thirst for freedom which made him go search for it and get it. This long walk of freedom is an autobiography of Nelson Mandela. This played a vital role in the society then because here he has given the speech that he delivered on the inaugural ceremony of Free South Africa or One South Africa. So in this lesson we are going to see about the inaugural speech and also what made Nelson Mandela to go for this struggle of freedom and the people who all made a remarkable part in the fight for freedom of South Africa. And this lesson also teaches us one more important thing, that is everything seems to be impossible until it is done. This is a very wonderful quote that is given by us by Sir Nelson Mandela. So this lesson starts with a beautiful day, that is 10th of May to 10th of May. That was the day when Nelson Mandela is going to be sworn in as the first black president of South Africa. It was not a day of struggle, it was a long struggle. So that on 10th of May, the anti-racist party is going to come into power. So he was saying that it was a wonderful day, it was a very bright and clear day, it was a day of great hope because all the discrimination is gone and hereafter South Africa is going to be one South Africa. And he also is making that till day he has been getting calls and he has been getting congratulations or wishes from the international people, and that ceremony is going to happen on Sandstone building in Pretoria city. So that day he is going to have international leaders from various countries accompanying him on the inaugural ceremony. Not only that, it was a lovely autumn day and he had a lot of people along with him on the podium. He had his daughter Zunani and also the two presidents, two deputy president who is also going to be taking office on the same day. First president is Mr. De Klerk and the second deputy president is going to be Thabo Mbeki. So these two is also going to be pledged in as deputy president in Nelson Mandela's government. So the wonderful speech that was delivered by Nelson Mandela on the day of inauguration is, today all of us do by our presence here confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. We who were outlaws not so long also have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is after all a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. Never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Let freedom reign. God bless South Africa. So this was the beautiful speech that was delivered by Nelson Mandela on the day of inauguration. He says that the previous rulers were discriminating them. Why they were discriminating them? Because they were black. They were under the system of apartheid. So here they didn't have any relationship. Either they didn't have any political relationship or human relationship or international relationship. They were totally suppressed. But the newly formed ANC government is going to have a wonderful political relationship. They are going to have very democratic relationship. That country is going to be a happy and healthy country. They are going to have a wonderful relationship with international countries, and he also personally thanked all the international leaders who has come here on the newly formed South African government. And he is also saying that it is not a simple struggle. It is going to be it was a great struggle, but finally they have achieved that political freedom. Okay, that Nelson Mandela's government is going to give them a free of existence. There is not going to be any poverty. They are not going to have any hardship, or they are not going to have any inequalities. Hereafter they are going to be equal. There is no inferiority or there is no superiority. So he is also praying that this newly formed government should always stay happy, and he is also asking God to bless Africa as always. So it is a dream of a wonderful person. It is a dream of a wonderful person who wanted a people of his sort to have a wonderful year, and he is also remembering the sacrifices of the people who has fought along with him to get that day's freedom. So it is a joint activity. It is a joint struggle for the welfare of people. So as I have quoted earlier, nothing seems impossible until it is done. So this is what we are seeing, this part 1. It is a speech of Nelson Mandela on the day of inauguration. What was the day of inauguration? May 10th. It was a wonderful day. So he is remarking so many things. He says that it was a long walk of freedom. So you can go through that is given, and if you have any doubt or things regarding this, you can get back to me. Thank you.